Hello, siren fans. Merry Christmas to you. Today I'm in Morrisonville, Illinois, and here is their tornado slash fire siren. And here's a windmill, too. But yeah, it's here in Morrisonville, Illinois. That's their water tower, but that's in Morrisonville. Today I'm in Morrisonville, and this is their siren. Pretty loud and impressive. It's a whelen vortex. I think they tested the first Tuesday. I don't know about fire testing time since this is in a different county, but it's pretty impressive, pretty loud, pretty neat for siren enthusiasts. But it's a big siren, kind of close to the fire station there. But yeah, it's pretty tall. I would move around, but it's kind of chilly. But here's a windmill, and here's the siren. And this is the water tower for Morrisonville. And it's not too far from that either. But yeah, this is Morrisonville siren, and it's pretty impressive. Sorry about that. But yeah, here it is. Peace.